Just arrived at Hofsas House Hotel in Carmel-by-the-Sea. It's a Bavarian-style hotel. Very, very quaint. We have this beautiful mural right at the front. And I'm going to take you in for a room tour. Okay, here's from the back side of the hotel. You can see another painted mural there of Hofsas House on the original hotel, and then they have expanded on here. And then here's their pool, open year round, and the ocean off in the distance. You can get a nice view of the sunset in the evening, so we'll try and capture that as well. And we are in room 28 today. All of the rooms are decorated differently, so I'm excited to see what's inside. Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom suite. The first room will be for my husband and I. It's a queen-size bed or king-size bed. And what I love about Hofsas House is they hand-pick all of the furniture, so no 2 rooms are alike. So here's the first bedroom. Nice wide window, really nice shutters, and the view out the window is quite nice. Over here, we have a very cute little sink, television, lots of seating. And then in we go to the first restroom with a full closet. Nice long counter. Hello. Into the bathroom. Another sink. Full bath. And shower. And one thing I want to point out about Hofsas House is that their toiletries that they include are very nice. I always save some of their lotion, especially that's the conditioning shampoo. Here's their lotion. I absolutely love this lotion. So I save it. I'll take extras and keep them in my purse after every visit. Okay, so this is the parents' room. Now let's go into the kids' room. Isn't this awesome? My kids are going to be so excited. So I have 4 kiddos, but one's a baby, so she will be in a pack and play. But we've got these 2 queen-size beds here. So the girls will be together, and then my son will have his own bed. We've got another dresser, their own television, this cute little kitchen area with a coffee maker, microwave. And then over here, Carrie, the owner, left us some wine, which was very thoughtful of her. And it looks like a little treat for the kiddos. I love that they have the full table here because they do a continental breakfast. So we can go and grab it in the morning and bring it back. And all of our kiddos can sit and eat before we go to the beach. And look at this adorable wallpaper. So pretty. I just love all of the details that Hofsas House has to offer with their Bavarian-style hotel. So cute pictures picked out. And here's the second bathroom. So another nice long closet, extra blankets up there, an ironing board. It does get a little chilly here. It was 90 when we left Fairfield, and it's 60 degrees here. So it's definitely a lot cooler. So we have another sink, another bathroom, another sink with a toilet, and another full bathtub. So it's like a little slice at home for us with our kids at Hofsas House. I hope you enjoyed this room walkthrough. Please give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you want to see any other hotel tours in the future.